First, to get this PC icon in desktop, follow these steps. Now we will be changing this PC and recycle bin icon. These are the default Windows icon library to choose icon from. You can select icons from here also, but we will be setting custom icons. Prefer to keep downloaded custom icons in Pictures folder. Here are the custom icons we downloaded from iconarchive.com, links given below. Recycle bin full will have different icon, and empty will have different, so set accordingly. Now let's change folder icon. Now we will be changing hard drive icons. You can download custom icons from Icon Archive. It has a big collection, which allows us to download icons for free without premium pop-up nag. Also, you can search for icon you are looking for. To download Windows icon, click on Download All Format and select Windows icon. Changing hard drive icon is a bit tricky, so we will be using a tool to make things easier. Links for this will be given below. This is not a skin or theme tool, it's used to manage context menu. This site has also attached its scan result, so you can use this simple portable tool without any worry. After downloading, extract the zip file and open the exe. From here, scroll down and find Change icon. After checking it, select Apply. Now when you right-click on hard drive, here you will see new option named Change Icon. Using this, you can quickly change icons to your needs. Now the process is same as before. You can also use DeviantArt to download icon pack, but beware, some packs are paid packs and most require login to download. So you can go through these packs and download the one you like. For testing purpose, we will be trying out Lumi Icons pack as it doesn't require login. From here, we will only be downloading icons folder, as other folder here contains method that requires some system-level modification. So just to be safe, we will be manually selecting icon from icons folder. Here is the scan result of icon folder. After extracting the icon zip file, you will see these icons. Now let's try applying them to our hard drives. Here, you can also search for icon. Here is how it will look after all Lumi icons applied. Thank you for your time. Do consider leaving a like and subscribe if this video helped. If not, do tell us in comment what we can improve. Thank you.